Today we're looking at part number SHK2WSS or APS6SE. This is your single axle trailer hanger kit for your 2-inch wide slipper springs, and it comes with everything you need to mount up your axle to your trailer for a single axle kit. So you got your 4 9/16 by 3.5 inch long spring bolts right here, grade 5, your Locknuts right here for the spring bolts, and you have your weld-on hangers right here. You have your 2 of the 3 3/4 tall front hangers, and then you have your 2 of the 5 1/16 tall rear hangers right here. So I'm just going to measure them out for you, starting with the bolt right here. The overall, if you can see that, it's going to be 4 inches from overall from top of head to end. You got your bolts, and then let's check out the front hanger right here. If you're measuring it, the overall on it is going to be about 4 1/4 inches, or what they like to say 3 1/4 or 3 3/4, because they're measuring from the top to the bottom of the bolt. So that's what they refer to whenever they're talking about it comes with 2 tall front hangers that are 3 3/4. That's not the overall length, that's just to the bolt, so you know. And it is 2 3/4 wide outside to outside, 4 1/4 long, and 3 inches wide. And then the rear hanger right here, it's going to be 3 inches wide by 5 7/8 long, or 5 1/4, let's say, from top to the end hole right there, and then 2 7/8 wide. So you got your rear hanger and your front hangers right here, and then all the bolts that go through it. And it also comes with this diagram right here showing you the spacing on it. TP161s are 29.5 inches long. This is a 6-lead, and that's going to be a 28-inch spacing, or like the E5115 is another part number they use. And then the TPU232s can be a 26-inch spacing from here to here. Those are typically the 5-lead. They're about 27 inches long, eye to end. So I hope this helps you out. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.